noticed in this 2010 Toyota Corolla. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive, driven by an automatic transmission. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors, power steering, air conditioning. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.